Installation method for smart toilet. Tools required for installation: PTFE tape, adjustable wrench, silicone sealant, and caulking gun. 1. Measure the toilet flange distance accurately. Common flange distances are 300 and 400. The actual flange distance is measured from the wall to the center of the floor waste outlet to reserve a 3-prong socket. The socket should be approximately 61 cm above the ground and positioned about 35-40 cm offset from the center line of the waste outlet. 3. Determine the installation position for the angle valve. The angle valve should be about 15 cm above the floor and 24-28 cm offset from the center line of the waste outlet. 4. Check if all smart toilet accessories are complete. Accessories include a 5-liter water pressure test bag, user manual, remote control, installation accessory kit, flange sealing ring, and angle valve. 5. Wrap the angle valve with PTFE tape and install it onto the water inlet connection. 6. Measure the water pressure. Attach the 5-liter water pressure test bag provided with the smart toilet to the outlet, open the angle valve, and start timing. The water output should reach 5 liters within 15 seconds to meet the installation requirement. 7. Flush the water pipe. Open the angle valve to flush water 4 to 3 minutes to clear debris from the pipeline and prevent blockage inside the smart toilet. 8. Check the floor drain outlet. Ensure that the outlet is smooth and free of cracks or defects. 9. Install the flange sealing ring. Lay the toilet on its side, install the flange sealing ring onto the toilet outlet, and press it firmly to ensure tight seal against the bottom of the toilet. 10. Align the toilet. Carefully lift the toilet, align the sealing ring with the floor drain outlet, place the toilet vertically downward, and adjust the direction and level position. 11. Apply silicone sealant. Apply silicone sealant around the connection between the toilet base and the floor and smooth the sealant. 12. Connect the inlet hose. Connect the toilet as inlet hose to the angle valve and open the angle valve. 13. Connect the power supply. Plug the smart toilet as power cord into the 3-prong socket, turn on the leakage protection switch, and power on the smart toilet. 14. Test the flushing function. Press the flush button on the smart toilet and perform 1-2 test flushes to check for any water leakage. After confirming normal operation, allow the silicone sealant to cure for 24 hours before regular use. 15. Install the remote control. Mount the remote control near the toilet within easy reach, in a location free from water splashes. Select a suitable installation location. The smart toilet should be installed in a relatively dry area of the bathroom and must not be installed directly near the shower.